What's going on, family and friends? So today I am going to show you some really cool tips about making your SR48 just a little bit better, more waterproof, and just a few tips. So first tip, if I haven't already done this to your boat, is right here. The main focus of this video is where to apply E6000 glue and how I do it. So this pin right here, once you get your boats going as fast as mine are, or faster than stock, I would say. Stock boats, you can do this, but you don't need to. Apply some E6000 glue over this pin and let it dry overnight, and that will keep the pin in place. And the cool thing about the E6000 is if you need to replace the rudder, you can just pull it right out. The next tip is right here, all the way around the shaft. If you can see how I applied the E6000 completely around that shaft right there, and what that does is it seals it up really good. Another spot that you can do it is right around this outlet, because sometimes water can get in through that way, but that's not, I haven't done it on this boat, so it's not 100% necessary. And the very last place that I recommend putting a bunch of E6000 is right back there. Just hold the boat kind of at a 45-degree angle like that, and then just squeeze a whole bunch of it in there to not only hold the this part of the shaft, the tube, in place, but further seal any potential holes that might be there, and just hold that in place. So those are just 3 simple places where you can apply some E6000 to help make your boat a little bit better. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned, because I'm going to be showing you guys a couple more tips with my boats. Obviously this boat is a little bit upgraded. It still needs a few more upgrades, but I like just the way that it is for right now. So I'll be talking about this boat and a bunch of my other SR48s that I have around here. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.